Welcome back to the Dad Days, everyone. Today, I'm gonna do a quick video about making smashed baked potatoes. I already have the oven preheated to 425, and I preheated this cast iron baking sheet inside of the oven while I preheated it. I'm just going to be rubbing the potatoes down with tallow, putting a little salt on top, putting them in a 425 degree oven for about 45 minutes. So the potatoes are rubbed down with tallow. I'm just going to use a little bit of Redmond's real salt, sprinkle it on top, and pop them in the oven for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, or once the potatoes are soft, all you have to do is take a spatula and just smash them down flat. Once smashed flat, just add a little more cooking oil. I prefer either tallow or butter or coconut oil. You can use olive oil as well. It doesn't have quite as high of a heating point, but you can use it. Pop them back in the oven. I'll probably do them about 5 minutes on this side, flip them, do them another 5, check them out. But they get nice and crispy and crusty, and they're just absolutely delicious this way. So we'll check back. So this is what they look like when they come out. They're a nice crunchy chip-like texture. It's very hot right now, but you can see it stands up on its own. Crunchy and delicious. Just hit it with a little more salt when they're done. So just to recap, you preheat the oven to 425. You rub the potatoes with either butter or tallow or coconut oil, something like that is what I prefer. You can do olive oil, it just doesn't have as high of a smoking point, so that's up to you, use what you want. But you pop them in the oven for about 45 minutes. Once they are soft, then you can smash them with a spatula, use a little bit more oil, season them, put them back in 5-10 minutes on each side, and then they're crunchy and delicious. So definitely give it a try. I use my cast iron baking pan, but you could use a regular baking sheet that you would use for cookies, or even a pizza stone or whatever you want. So definitely drop me a comment, let me know if you try it out. Give it a shot. Stay tuned for more Dad Days.